How to buy Monkey, the Wise Monkey token on Bitrue. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Not to be able to buy this token, make sure to open it on CoinMarketCap first. Now so that, click on markets here, and you will see the Bitrue here, and click here on the pair. Now after that, you will be redirected to Bitrue. And after that, go and log into your account. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. Now here in this page, we will buy this token called Monkey. So we have buy and sell. For this, we will use the buy. So as you can see, in this buy option, we have two options under this. We have the limits and the markets. We will explain one by one. Now in the limit, as you can see, you will here set how much you want to buy with Monkey. As you can see, this is how much. Type here how much you want to buy. And you will see here the total. Because I don't have any funds on my account, I can't be able to see how much I will pay. After that, click on buy and you will buy it. Another option is buy, like set here how much you want to buy, drag this and set how much you want to buy by percentage, and click buy and you will buy it. Now after that, in the market, just click on markets and here ensure how much you want to buy. Another option is drag this to set how much you want to buy with percentage of your USDT on your account. And after that, click on buy and you will buy the Monkey token. So this is it. And this is how to buy Monkey token on Bitrue. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.